Hello and welcome to another quick update about Bloktopia. Just want to highlight the fact that we did find support here yesterday at the 0.618 Fibonacci level. You can see that pretty much exactly. We dropped a little bit below that, but then in the next move, in the next candle on the 4-hour chart, we found exact support there. I told you yesterday when we had that sharp drop, don't be worried. A pullback to a golden pocket like the 0.618 is not too worrying actually. It's not too worrying, given that even though we can still draw an ascending trend line here, and we are still above the 20-day moving average, we have the volume, and we just overextended away and now are in a pullback. And again, like with every pullback, I always say, again, no financial advice, but I use these generally as buying opportunities. And it's looking good, the chart. Obviously, we found support. We had a nice and green candle after that. We're now holding the 10-cent level at the moment. Now, one reason for that might also be that they announced something new. Cointelegraph is entering the Metaverse. We have partnered with Bloktopia to open the Cointelegraph virtual store. That's what Cointelegraph are saying. We are still waiting for the second big announcement. They said yesterday that there will be 2 massive announcements in the next 24 hours. I expect the second one at some point today. I'll keep an eye on their Twitter and on their Telegram channel. It's pretty good news, and obviously they waited with these announcements to counter the drop in price, which happened because they released or unlocked a lot of the tokens that early investors could get into. Apparently they did that already yesterday. I think it was originally planned for tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, and they might still unlock more unplanned. I don't know, today or tomorrow. I don't know, to be honest. I didn't really look at that, but certainly there was a month of a lock period where the early investors couldn't really sell until after a month, which ends I think on the 6th of November. But in anticipation of that, many people already sold before, after that huge pump, a lot of profit taking. So I think they unlocked already a portion of that yesterday, which also accelerated that price drop, and they're obviously countering that with these announcements, which obviously helped as well. We are now holding again above 10 cents, and I think we should really come up from here. That's my view. Could be wrong, but that's my view. In the worst case, I said we could even drop down to the golden pocket again, 7.3, maybe even to the 0.816, which is the 4.4 cent level, but I don't see us going back to that level. I don't see it at the moment because we are in an uptrend, and I'm bullish on the project, and a lot of partnerships are being announced, every few days. So don't see that happen imminently, but everything is happening, is possible with such a volatile cryptocurrency. So for me, all looking good. On this selling pressure here is losing steam now. You can see that on the 4-hour chart on the MACD. We are also just about to re-enter the bullish range on the RSI into 50. So from here we could then potentially carry on and move further up. What is certainly good, and I noticed that only this morning, and that is really good news. I really feel much better now, honestly, because yesterday I did tell you, when I did my update video yesterday here on the RSI, on the daily, we were still overbought despite this price drop. But now, because we touched the golden pocket, we came down far enough. It has brought the RSI down below the overbought range into the 60 level. So that is looking good, because that means we now have more space to go up again. It is looking really good. So yeah, I'm bullish. You can see the increasing volume, partnerships being announced, good project in my opinion. No financial advice, but yeah, I remain a bullish block army participant. All right, so hopefully you liked that video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.